All right, guys, I want to give everyone a quick update on where I'm at with my Webull short sell account. So, got the short sell account set up. I have the account funded, and now all I'm doing is waiting for the funds to settle. So I got a message about 2 days ago telling me that now it was just a matter of time before the funds settle, and I'll be able to start shorting stocks with my Webull account. So I'm hoping by tomorrow or maybe next Monday, my full marginal status on my account will be unlocked, and all my funds will be settled, and I'll be ready to trade. So this morning and yesterday, I made a few short sales using the paper trade option. So, even as much experience as I have doing short sales, I still feel the need to practice all the time. It's a very important skill to constantly work on. And like I said, you'll never have enough practice. So I went under the paper trading option on the Webull account, and I set up a limit order to short shares of GoGo, ticker symbol GOGO, and my order filled right as the market opened, and I covered in a very, very short amount of time. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to show you on the chart how I did this trade, and then I will show you the limit orders. So right here, guys, GoGo ran up really big into a big earnings report yesterday, but anybody that follows this stock knows it is just a disaster. It has been a good short sale over the past 5-6 years, and the stock is really not going in a good direction. So I set a limit order first thing this morning before the market opened at $7.40, and I actually got shares a little better than what I bargained for, so I was real happy about that. And like I said, this big dip, this had this big spike up right here at open. And then, like, guys, I covered down here into this big dip. So now I'm going to jump over and show you the trades. Like I said, it was in the paper trading department. So these were not real trades, guys. But I highly encourage every one of you to be practicing. No matter how much experience you have, start practicing short selling stocks now, so when you're ready to take that next step and really do it, you will be a well-oiled machine, and you will have some practice. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go through this order one step at a time and explain each and every part. So right here, guys, I selected to sell. That's how you do it. When you use Webull, you're gonna want to choose just the sell option, and that's how you short. Okay, we use the limit order, good till canceled. And guys, I want to emphasize the importance of that. Always use limit orders. Okay, if you can't get the price you want, just let the order cancel out and move on. Okay, don't chase these short sales up and down. Like I said, go to the chart. Make a conscientious decision on what price you're willing to short it at, and if you miss the bus, you miss the bus, and you just move on to another trade. But do not chase these shorts. It will get you hurt. Okay, so the order was placed. I actually placed it last night at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, and what I asked for, guys, was the limit price of $7.40. Okay, and 285 shares. So the order actually filled this morning at 9:30 Eastern time, and I actually got a little better than what I bargained for. So I wanted $7.40, but I got $7.44. So we actually got a little bit more on the price up than we wanted. So the order filled at 285 shares. So let's just do a little math here. 285 shares times $7.44. So we shorted with $2,120.40. Okay. And so right here, guys, as soon as my order filled, even though this is a fake trade, I still felt the need. This is just an act of habit, and I've always been this way, and I probably always will be this way. But I placed this order almost immediately. As soon as the sell order filled, I placed this 14 minutes later. Okay, so then I went in, I selected the buy option, put in another limit order, and I just wanted to complete this trade today. Now, sometimes you won't get the price you want, but we didn't have to deal with that on this trade, so we will kind of cross that bridge if and when we get there. But like I mentioned, I set this order 14 minutes after the sell order filled. I put my limit price at $6.80 for a total of 285 shares, okay? And the order filled at 11:15. So we were not even in the market on this trade for 2 hours, okay? About an hour and 45 minutes total time. You know, and honestly, guys, that's a little long for what I usually do. You know, sometimes I'm only in the market for 10 or 15 minutes and I make a nice trade, okay? But our average fill price was $6.80. So 285 shares times $6.80 comes to a total of $1,938. So it cost us $2,120.40 to short this stock, guys, but we only paid $1,938 to cover these shares, so we actually profited $182.40. Okay, so that is the dynamics and that is the simple mechanics of a short sale. Like I said, I really wish this could have been a real trade, but like I said, just waiting for my funds to settle, and then we can start. I can start documenting some short sales. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions on how to do a short order, make sure to drop them down in the comments as well. And if you have not signed up for a Webull account, make sure you do that, guys. I have a link in my description box, and I will have one down in my comments section. Like I said, you can get a free stock without even using any real money, and you can use the paper trading app for free. So you can practice your short selling all day long inside the app with over $1 million for free. So I recommend taking advantage of that, guys. Thanks for watching the video.